Asian currencies muted as USD retains strength. Taiwan dollar dips. Most Asian currencies saved to a good variety on Thursday as the US dollar remained underpinned through expectations of a hawkish Fed, at the same time as the Taiwan dollar fell the most amid persevered concerns over a clash with China. The Taiwan dollar lost about 0.2% and stayed around two-year lows of 30 to the greenback. An escalation in tensions with China, amid U.S. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi's Taipei Gota, has battered the forex this week. Reports now advise that China is sporting out cyber assaults on the Taiwan Defense Ministry, and allegedly flying drones over a few outlying islands. China had largely antagonistic Pelosi's visit, claiming that Taiwan is part of its territory. Reports from Chinese state-run media residence Xinhua say that the US of A is planning Navy drills close to the ocean border with Taiwan. Most different Asian currencies soared to tight tiers on Thursday. The Chinese yuan became in large part unchanged at 6.7562, whilst the Japanese yen paused a current rally and held around 133.76. The Australian greenback rose 0.2% and came close to breaking above a key $0.7 stage after the United States logged a file alternate surplus in June. The analyzing was driven in large part by means of constant call for Australia's key coal and iron ore exports. Sentiment in currency markets was muted ahead of key U.S. payrolls records on Friday. A robust reading could encourage a sharper interest price hike by way of the Federal Reserve later this 12 months. Overnight, hawkish remarks from some Fed contributors additionally raised expectancies of a quicker tempo of coverage tightening this year, preserving the dollar underpinned. The dollar index became flat on Thursday after growing 1% thus far this week. U.S. dollar index futures have been also muted. The Indian rupee fell 0.4% beforehand of a broadly anticipated interest price hike by means of the Reserve Bank on Friday. The rupee has fallen substantially this 12 months amid rising oil prices. The Indian primary financial institution has additionally lagged its Asian friends in tightening coverage, which has seen Indian inflation rise to two-year highs, but with Friday's hike, the Reserve Bank will likely bring interest prices lower back to pre-pandemic ranges.